Good morning, YTPC family. I hope everybody's doing amazeballs. Got one of Dad's old Dr. Graybows. Got a little leaf on it there, a little wear and tear on it, but very, very consistent smoker. Peterson 965 in the bowl. It is going to be a ridiculous 93 degrees here in Atlanta today. It is June the 30th at 7:47 in the a.m. Going this morning to Lowe's to get a shaping disc. I am doing my first attempt you can't see it at a flag, a wavy flag. I saw a guy's video the other day, and he did a really awesome job explaining. I've seen other folks do the wavy flag. This is my very first one, so fingers crossed. And sorry, I'm trying to. I've seen guys where they take the 2x4s and they leave them vertical, all 13 of them, and then you have to take the shaping tool and carve all of it down. I mean, you're carving, in some cases, this much of the 2x4 down. And I'll put his channel in the description. It's at Tim Brock, BROCK Projects, where he talks about laying the two by fours down flat and then tracing your line, and you end up with a template. And as you do each one, the next one you move the template an inch out, trace it, and then the third one 2 inches out and trace it. It's pretty simple, but if you don't have a bandsaw, doing it with a jigsaw was very tough. I had to go get a corded jigsaw. My 18 volt jigsaw, just with the battery, it just couldn't sustain cutting through all that wood. I think I went through 5 4-inch 6 TPI blades. And that's with the corded jigsaw. But we shall see how it turns out. I'm excited to do it. Got the right paint. Got my stencils yesterday. I think I'm going to do a certain union that I think will stand out and look very cool. Going to try to get it done, painted, put some lacquer on it and everything else, and get it ready for our 250th celebration. If you haven't noticed, got a brand new hat yesterday. Loved the design. Going to take it with us when we go to Savannah because, man, it's going to be hot down there. We have a riverside view room where we're staying, and it says that it has a balcony. Now, hopefully that means it's a balcony that I can walk out on so that I can sneak one of these out and do a video. I can't tell you how much I'm going to be looking forward to fall. Those nice, crisp mornings when you get up and it's just nice and cool. Even better time for a cup of coffee and a nice pipe. Again, I'm really enjoying all the comments and text messages and whatnot from folks loving the hats and talking about how they want to get a hat for their videos. I think Rusty at Blue Cord Woodworking says he's got a Rocky Balboa hat. I hope he does a video. That's going to be awesome to watch. Plus, I think he's got his giveaways coming soon. That's going to be an awesome. I hope he does that as a live event because he's got some really, really, really cool stuff. I'm going to try to do some videos today as I work on shaping this flag, getting it ready, doing the paint. I think everything after this is going to be the easy part. I'm really excited about the shaping part. Like I said, this is my first flag, and I haven't done a large shaping project like this before. So I think even though you've got somebody like his channel that shows you how to do it, I think I enjoy the imaginative part of it where I have to shape it. You have to see where the wave comes up and down, shaping it just right for the union so it sits right. I'm going to hand carve each one of the stars. So well, if you're in a weather condition like me, I hope everybody stays cool, hydrated. I hope everybody and their family are doing awesome. You're healthy and happy. You have a great pipe, great tobacco. And as I always say it with me because I believe in it. Be great.